Okay, so Kathy's here from Hall Signs, putting on the lettering on the bumper. Again, it's a same type of green, that hunter's green that's on the side. It's going to be put on there. And these are letters. These are decal type letters. Putting on that she cuts out. And again, like some of you guys have been asking, she does have a lot of the stencils already saved in her computer, and so she can cut them out and send them to you guys, obviously for a cost. I'll put her information at the end of the video, okay? So you guys just watch her do her job here. It won't take very long, just a few letters, and you guys see what kind of work she does. All right, talk to you guys later.
Screws in here.
Okay, all done. Look at that. Oh, there it is. Better. Better. Okay, Kathy from Hall Signs. Check her out, guys.